Hey, it's Erin. There are so many benefits to doing standing abs exercises. The first one I can think of is not having to roll around on a dirty gym floor, especially when you're already sweaty from lifting. All jokes aside, let's go through some of the benefits of these standing abs exercises. You're able to decrease your core circumference. So, if you're looking to minimize your waist, this can be done as they train both the TVA, which is that musculature underneath the rectus abdominis or that six pack. We're also training the obliques. We're training in different movement patterns. So, we've got a rotational exercise here, and rotation is something that is tough to get if you're an average gym goer. This is going to improve your spine flexibility. It's also going to improve balance. We're working on not only improving balance, but proprioception. This is awareness of your body as it moves through space, that core stability, and we have the ability to become more athletic as well. So, without further ado, let's go over my top 3 standing abs exercises in no particular order. The first exercise is our kettlebell around the world. Now, for this exercise, if you don't have access to a kettlebell, you can get this conversion that I have now. It's just a snap-on kettlebell attachment, and you're going to go with a relatively light weight. Start with that kettlebell in front of your body, and you are going to change hands as you perform the exercise in a counterclockwise motion, switching hands behind the body as well. As many reps as you do this way, you're going to reverse direction and hit the other side. This is, again, going to work on your core stability. It's going to help with coordination and balance as well. It's kind of one of those sneaky abs exercises because you don't necessarily feel your abs when you're doing the exercise, but you will feel them the next day, I promise. Our next exercise is an overhead carry with a knee raise. And what you're going to do is grab a dumbbell, grab 2 dumbbells, and hold them directly overhead. This is going to improve not only core stability, but shoulder stability as well. And as you perform this, think about bringing your pelvis forward just a little bit. So you're going to create a small round in the lower back. This is going to ensure that hip flexors are not taking the brunt of the effort here, that your core is actually doing most of the work. And again, you're going to work on your core stability here and do this one for time. So I'd recommend starting out with 20 or 30 seconds and then moving up from there. You can also do this exercise in a forward motion. So if you prefer to walk, that's totally fine as well. And our last exercise is a dumbbell wood chopper. Wood choppers are that rotational exercise that I spoke about a little bit earlier. This is something that is very tough to get in just traditional working out. So we're working on that rotation. We're working on the obliques here as well. And we're working on maintaining our spine flexibility. Now, as you perform this exercise, you want to bring the dumbbell across your body and you're going to rotate your hips and you're going to drive that dumbbell across your body and upwards in the opposite direction, making sure to push with the hips as well. So this becomes a total body coordination, rotational exercise. And of course, you're going to switch sides, making sure that you perform the exercise evenly from right side to left side. A good rule of thumb here is about 10 to 15 reps per side. And as you get stronger, you can go up in weight. I would personally work on being a little bit more explosive before I go up in weight. There's kind of that fine balance with abs. You want to develop the abs to be able to see them, but that old phrase that abs are made in the kitchen is absolutely true. If you train them with too much weight, you're going to have them grow just like the rest of the muscles in your body. And so we want to kind of work on our power, our speed, and our balance and our core rotation before we necessarily go up in weight. I would go up in reps. What do you think? What is your favorite standing abs exercise? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what you would like to see next. Give me some ideas. And if you try these exercises and you love them, please tag me on social media. It's so fun seeing you take the exercises and make them your own. That's it for this time. Until next time, thanks for watching and train hard, y'all.